Hey, here's another one of our project bikes. This was a project that was brought to me. It was in a box with a broken frame. The frame was literally broken in half. The front forks got bent under. They must have hit something head on. So I re-straightened the forks, welded the frame, put the engine all back together because it was just pieces in a cardboard box. Welded some fender brackets on there. Went to BMI Carts and ordered fenders and a seat, all new cables and grips, and she's a fast little mini bike. It's a clutch, no torque converter, so it's extremely quick. The only thing I'd like to see us do different would maybe get rid of the scrub brake. It has the old scrub brake where when you step on the brake pedal it rubs a pad against the tire instead of a brake drum or something. So that might be something I could look at doing at a later date. But anyhow, she's a good running machine, and just thought I'd share you this project. Thank you for looking. This is Mark with the Vintage Trikes Group. Thank you.